Have you ever thought about some ways to make money with metalworking skills and knowledge? There are several ways you can turn your metalworking skill into a money-making venture. You can custom fabricate metal items, create and sell unique metal art pieces, or design and craft metal jewelry. If you are looking for some inspirational ideas, we've got you covered. Just watch the full video to see some of the metalworking project ideas you can consider to make money with. You can easily create and sell unique, handcrafted metal art, sculptures, and decorative pieces through online marketplaces, local galleries, craft fairs, and your own website. You could also consider designing and crafting metal jewelry, such as rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets, using techniques like metalsmithing, casting, and enameling. Sell your jewelry creations through online shops, local boutiques, craft shows, and your own website. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of metalworking project ideas to make money with. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Getting back to our money-making metalworking ideas, you can offer custom metal fabrication, welding, machining, and metalworking services to individuals, small businesses, and larger companies. This could include custom furniture, home/garden decor, architectural elements, industrial parts, and more. If you are not comfortable with making and selling items, you can offer hands-on metalworking classes and workshops to teach aspiring metalworkers various techniques, such as blacksmithing, welding, metal casting, and metalsmithing. Market your classes through local art centers, maker spaces, community colleges, and online platforms. Specializing in restoring and repairing antique or vintage metal objects, such as furniture, architectural elements, and household items, is another method of turning your metalworking hobby into a money-making business. Advertise your restoration services to antique dealers, interior designers, historic preservation organizations, and individual clients. Some people use their metalworking skills to create prototypes, models, and small batch production runs for inventors, startups, and small businesses. In the meantime, they offer CNC machining, laser cutting, and other specialized metalworking services to help clients bring their product ideas to life. As you can see in the video, there are several metalworking project ideas you can consider to make money with. The key to success in any of these metalworking-based business ventures is to identify a specific niche, develop expertise, market your services effectively, and continuously expand your skills and knowledge to stay competitive in the industry. As we all know, metalworking is an ancient practice that has evolved over millennia, shaping the course of human civilization. From the forging of primitive tools to the precision engineering of modern machinery, the manipulation of metals has been a driving force behind technological advancement. The origins of metalworking can be traced back thousands of years, with evidence of primitive metal smelting and forging techniques dating as far as 6000 BCE. The art of metalworking encompasses a diverse range of techniques, each with its unique characteristics and applications. From the ancient forge to the modern CNC machine, the evolution of these methods has been a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Forging is one of the oldest and most fundamental metalworking techniques, dating back to the Bronze Age. It involves the use of heat and mechanical force to shape metal into desired forms. Blacksmiths, the artisans of the forge, would heat the metal to a malleable state and then pound it with a hammer to create tools, weapons, and decorative items. This process not only alters the metal's shape but also enhances its structural integrity and durability. Casting is the process of pouring molten metal into a mold, where it solidifies into the desired shape. This technique has been employed for millennia, with early civilizations using clay, stone, and even sand molds to create a wide range of objects, from simple utensils to intricate sculptures. The development of more advanced casting methods has enabled the production of highly complex and precise metal parts. Machining is the process of removing material from a solid metal block or workpiece to create the desired shape and features. This can be accomplished through a variety of techniques, including turning, milling, drilling, and grinding. The advent of computer numerical control, CNC, machines has revolutionized the machining industry, allowing for the creation of complex, high-precision parts with unprecedented efficiency and repeatability. Welding is the process of joining two or more metal pieces together through the application of heat, pressure, or a combination of both. This technique has been instrumental in the construction of a wide range of items. From the basic arc welding methods to the more advanced laser and electron beam welding processes, the field of welding continues to evolve, enhancing the strength, durability, and versatility of metal structures. The final stage of many metalworking processes is surface finishing, which enhances the appearance, corrosion resistance, and functional properties of the metal. Techniques such as polishing, plating, painting, and anodizing are used to create a wide variety of finishes, from the mirror-like shine of stainless steel to the matte black of gun barrels. Beyond its functional applications, metalworking has also found a place in the realm of art and sculpture. Skilled metalworkers, known as metal artists or sculptors, use a variety of techniques to create unique, expressive works that inspire and captivate. From the delicate, intricate metalwork of jewelry to the grand, monumental sculptures that grace public spaces, the creative potential of metalworking is truly boundless. As technology continues to evolve, the field of metalworking is poised to undergo even more transformative changes. Emerging trends and advancements in this industry hold the promise of revolutionizing the way we design, manufacture, and utilize metal-based products. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked metalworking project ideas to make money with. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.